Hey, Chantel. Did our parents miss us? Chantel.
Wait, just shut the fuck up.
I'm just asking. Don't you think our parents miss us?
If you do not shut the fuck up, I'm gonna rip your throat out.
I can't help it. I have a coughing problem. Can't get comfortable. This is ridiculous. Oh. Can we go to breakfast later?
Macy, shut up!
Please? I'm hungry. Sweet dreams of... Oh, sweet dreams of dancing through the night.
Macy, shut up!
Okay, I'll stop it. I promise. Right now. Right now. I'm going to. Right now. Okay, right now. I promise. I promise. Right now. Okay?
Shut up.
Ow! Mr. Krabby Pants! I'm gonna get comfortable. I had a bad dream last night. Will you come sleep with me?
Shut up! I swear to God, if you say one more thing, I'm gonna gouge your eyes out.
But then I won't be able to see you. We won't be able to have this fun time together.
Shut up!
Ugh. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. I'll take you to the candy shop. I'll let you make a lollipop. Ouch! Mr. Krabby, or Mrs. in this case, Krabby Pants. Ow! Earthquake struck in Florida today. Update. Everyone died in Florida because of an earthquake. Can I have a pillow? It's really uncomfortable down here. Whoa! When I say weak ass, you say bitch. Weak ass.